As a realtor, I've had the opportunity to preview over hundreds of homes throughout my entire career. My name is Cassandra Champion with TerraMar Realty Group, and we're going to be previewing one of the most interesting properties I've had the pleasure of previewing. Let's take a peek at 1920 Royal Oak in North Brownsville, Texas, only minutes away from the highway, schools, restaurants, shopping, fitness centers, and more. Let's check it out. Welcome to 1920 Royal Oak, a gem nestled in the heart of North Brownsville, Texas. This two-story home, built in 2003, boasts an impressive 3,694 square feet, offering a blend of modern comfort and classic charm. With 6 bedrooms, 4 full bathrooms, and 1 half bathroom, this residence provides ample space for your family, roommates, or renters to thrive. As you step inside, you'll discover the thoughtful design that includes not 1, not 2, but 3 living rooms and 3 dining areas, perfect for entertaining or finding a quiet spot to relax. This property has undergone extensive renovations, dividing it into 3 distinct sections. The visionary owner has transformed it into an Airbnb haven, creating a space that blends charm with modern convenience. What sets this property apart is not just its size, but its practicality. With 3 kitchens and 3 laundry areas, this home is a sanctuary for those looking to explore the world of house hacking, an opportunity to live in one section while potentially leasing out the others. The unique feature of 2 split backyards adds an extra layer of versatility, with one dedicated to the main house and the other poised for potential leasing opportunities. Imagine having the flexibility to generate income from your own property. As Brownsville continues to grow north, 1920 Royal Oak stands out as more than just a home. It's an opportunity waiting to be seized. Explore the possibilities and embark on a journey where past meets present in perfect harmony. If you're looking to become the next homeowner of this property or looking to sell a home of your own, contact Cassandra Champion today with TerraMar Realty Group at 956-371-8062, or feel free to check out our website at www.atrgv.com. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy the rest of this video. And while you're here, please feel free to hit that subscribe button. That way you can stay up to date with all the latest properties that are hitting the market in the Cameron County and Hidalgo County area here in South Texas.